Human evolution. This is a very important topic for board exam. And regarding this topic, we need to know about the features of each human type and then their age. That means how many million years ago this particular human type evolved. Okay. And then the last one is their brain capacity or the cranial capacities. Clear? So the first group evolved were Dryopithecus and Ramapithecus. Dryopithecus were more ape-like and Ramapithecus were more man-like. Clear? So that means a slight difference. The Ramapithecus, they were slightly upright, but the Dryopithecus, they were bent. Clear? So you can expect a question from this particular point. That is, which one is more ape-like and which one is more man-like. Clear? And then their age or this particular group evolved 15 million years ago. Clear? And then their features. They were hairy and they walked like chimpanzees, gorillas, etc. And then next is Australopithecus. Australopithecus, they evolved 3 to 4 million years ago. And their features, that is, their fossils obtained from Ethiopia and African regions like Ethiopia and Tanzania. And then that means they walked along East Africa. And then they were not taller than 4 feet and they were upright. And next is Australopithecans. That is a difference between Australopithecus and Australopithecans. That is, Australopithecus, it includes a different varieties or different types like Australopithecus africanus, Australopithecus afarensis, etc. So it means Australopithecans, they are actually the subgroup under Australopithecus. Okay, so this Australopithecans evolved 2 million years ago, and their features, they lived in East African grassland. Then another thing, they used stone weapons, and then they were fruit eaters. Okay. And next is the Homo habilis. Homo habilis called as tool maker. And then their features, they were the first human-like hominid. Hominid means what? They are the group of primates like chimpanzees, gorillas, apes, etc. And this particular group were the first human-like hominid. So first human-like hominid is Homo habilis. Okay. And next is the Homo erectus. And their features, their fossils obtained from Java, Indonesia. So they called as Java man or Peking man. And then they used fire and they were meat eaters. Okay, that is about Homo erectus, and they evolved 1.5 million years ago. And next is Neanderthal. Their fossils obtained from Neander Valley, Germany, and that is why they called as Neanderthal man. And then they evolved 1 lakh to 40,000 years ago. And then their features, they lived in East and Central Asia. Then another thing, they used heights to cover their body, and then they buried their dead. Then the last one is the modern man. They evolved 75,000 to 10,000 years ago, and they did cave art, that's about 18,000 years ago, and they started agriculture 10,000 years ago. And the last thing is the cranial capacities of these human types. According to our NCERT, we need to focus only 3. That is, the cranial capacity of Homo habilis is about 650 to 800 cc, and the Homo erectus is about 900 cc, and Neanderthal is about 1400 cc.